This is how to reset the oil percentage on your Vauxhall Meriva or the service light, and if you've got it coming up with code 82, which means it's due for a service. We're going to be using the ignition, the menu button and the set clear button, which is the one on the end here. This one's a 2011 model. So press menu, get rid of the code, back to the speedo. Press menu again, brings up the oil percent. As you can see, it's at 0. Reset, so we want to do yes, so we're going to press the set clear button on the end and hold. There's the beep, 100%. That's it. Cycle the ignition, turn it back on, no message. Start up. And we're all clear. No spanner symbol in the top. Oil at 100%. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.